How to incorporate an evaluation scorecard into a specific job. Evaluation scorecard can be added during job creation or after a job is published. In this demonstration, we will focus on updating an existing job by introducing an evaluation scorecard. Upon selecting Edit Job, navigate to the evaluation form where you will find three options: Simple Evaluation, Evaluators, and Add Evaluation Scorecard. We will deselect Simple Evaluation. By clicking on Add Evaluators, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing us to choose the appropriate individuals to serve as evaluators for this job role. For the Scorecard section, you have the option to select existing scorecards or create a new one. To create a new scorecard, provide the title and evaluation questions. For the evaluation process, you have the option to designate criteria as either mandatory or optional, and choose the desired format for responses. Once you click Save, these scorecards will become active. After publishing, you will be able to access the Candidate section, where all live evaluations for each candidate will be available. Here, you may provide your recommendation or evaluation observation regarding this candidate. Once you have completed this, simply click on Save Answers. After logging your evaluations, you can access the pipeline to view both the evaluation and test scores for this candidate. This streamlines the process for HR professionals by providing two key insights: an artificial intelligence predicted success rate and an evaluation score from assessors. I trust you found this information valuable. Thank you.